And welcome back to Islamiyat class. So here I am, your teacher Paradipa. We are going to start our last chapter of our book Islamiyat. Then we are done with our whole syllabus of this year. This is week 22. 1 week is left, and I will be spending that one week with you in revising all of the things we have learned in term 2. So let us start our chapter 2, friends. Before that, I want to show you the video related to this story. What is this story about? Because when you will come to know about the video, then I will let you know that why did I show you this video. Okay.
Are these all your fields?
Yes, they are. No one else has better fields than mine. Those flowers are from our fields too.
They are lovely.
This train gives tourist view of my fields.
You are one lucky man.
Yes, I know. We'll show you the field at next stop. Have you seen anything like this before? This is all mine. I own all of this.
This is an amazing view.
I know. Wasn't it a fun day?
Was a wonderful day. Thank you.
Yes, Samir? What is it? There is a bad news. There is nothing bad for me. I can turn around anything. Sir, fire erupted in the fields. What? The fields are destroyed. I am really sorry. What are you talking about? You are lying. I just came back from the fields. We are trying to find the reason. But this is the truth. Oh. Allah. I'm totally destroyed. I'm sorry, Allah. This was all given by you. And I thought I can do whatever. Now I know. Allah, I was wrong. Forgive me.
See, children, this is the result of having pride in your personality when you do not thank Allah for His blessing, whatever He gives you. The person was so proud and he was thinking that whatever he is having, it is because of his own ability, and he forgets Allah that it is only Allah who has given him. Have you observed that when the girl was praising his children, I know, I know, I know, these kinds of things he was saying. And even when his employee came to him, he was like, there is nothing bad about me. How can you speak so sure about you? Anything can be happened at any time in the day. We cannot do anything. It's all about Allah. He can do everything with us. So the story was about pride. We do not have to be proud. Pride has a fall. We have to be very careful while speaking or while saying anything to anyone. We are going to start our lecture that is about two friends. Then two friends. Dear children, there were two friends who lived in a village. One of them had a great, beautiful garden full of fruits, trees, and fields of crops. There was a stream of fresh There was a stream of fresh water running between them. It was like paradise on earth. One day they were walking together to their gardens. One of them said, I am richer than you and have a bigger family too. I think this garden will flourish forever, and even when I die, I will go to the best place in heaven. He sounded very proud. When he said this, he was not thinking of Allah. It is only Allah who gives us everything. He can also take it away. He is the powerful one. The man forgot this in his pride. This is what I was telling you before reading this story, that we have no idea that what will happen to us, because everything is given to us by Allah. We have no kind of ability in this regard. His friend said, have you forgotten Allah? He is the one. He is the one who made you. I believe that there is only one Allah. He is my Lord and Master. Why did you not remember him when you entered your garden? Why didn't you say MashaAllah? Then he added, as for riches and family, Allah might bless me with a lot more soon and may take away from you what you have. That is really what happened. Allah does not like such proud people. Soon the proud man's garden was completely destroyed. His fruits, trees fell over, and he was left to cry over his misfortune. Allah has given us everything. He can take away his gifts just as he has given them to us, and no one can help us. We must always thank Allah for what he has given us and never be proud. See, he was so proud to say that I am having everything, and might be Allah will give me more and my family will be flourished with it. The other friend was quite angry on him. Why are you saying like this? Nothing is in our hand because Allah has made everything. And then Allah took everything from him and he was having nothing left with him. So, children, always remember that we should not be proud on anything, because everything that is given to us is by Allah, and we have to be very sure and very thankful to Him for each and every blessing that is given to us by Him. Can you please tell me the blessings of Allah, what He has given you? Yes, He has given us all in all blessings. Our body's blessing, eye, hand, mouth, teeth, taste, nose. Even our whole body is full of blessings. Like if it is not with us and our body is not with us, we are unable to have anything in our life. And we should be thankful to Him. You know, it is a responsibility to thank Allah for everything. And do you have more things than your friends? If yes, then please share them with your siblings, with your friends who do not afford such luxuries. And also, it's not about toys or eating, it's about foods and it's about dresses and shoes. You should have to share with share them with your friends or the people who do not afford them. Let us do the activity of difficult words, then we will do the question answers. Beautiful. Stream. Feed. Flourish. Sound it. Right. destroyed completely. Misfortune, forgotten. So, children, these are the difficult words. Kindly underline them. I'm just coming in a while, okay? I hope you are done with these. Now, let us do the question answers. What did the two friends have in their garden? They were having, yes, the two friends have fruit trees and fields of crops. The two friends had fruits, trees, and fields of crops in their garden. The next question is, why was one friend so proud? Yeah, tell me. The friend was proud because why? Yes, he was richer than his other friend. Okay, the third question is, who had given him all that he had? Yeah, please tell me. Who had given us everything? Yes, Allah has. Allah had given him all that he had. What did he forget to say when he entered the garden? Because he was having a very beautiful things in his life. He forgot to say Masha Allah. Okay. What happened to the proud man's garden? Yes, the proud man's garden was completely destroyed. The two now these are the question answers. We are done with them. Let us do fill in the blanks. I hope you have done with these question answers. Alhamdulillah. When someone says Shukr Alhamdulillah, it is your responsibility to say Ya Rahmatullah, okay? Now let us do this. Allah is our Lord and Allah is our Lord and Master. The proud man was richer and had a bigger family. He forgot to say MashaAllah when he entered the garden. Allah gives us everything. He can take away his gifts if he wants to. So children, this was about pride. We do not have to be proud on anything because we have no ability to have anything. Because everything we are using, we are having, we are keeping with us is given to us by Allah. So we cannot say that we are having each and everything and this is because of our own self. Okay. So this is all about we are done with our lectures, we are done with all the chapters. I will tell you that what we are gonna do in the next week. Take care of you. Allah